Hello humans, and welcome to Plants Per Serving. If this is your first time here, go ahead, subscribe, and ring that bell so you know when the new meals are dropping. Stick around to the end of this video. Got a pretty sweet giveaway going, and you don't want to miss out. Alright, today, hibiscus flowers. We're going to be taking these and turning them into taco meat for hibiscus burritos, or Burritos De Flor De Jamaica. Excuse me if I got that wrong. All right, so I've got a ½ pound of dried hibiscus flowers here. These cost me about $3.50 at my grocery store. First, you want to kind of knock the dust off them, just move them around in your strainer, and then you get to work with the water. It took about 5 minutes to go from a bright red to a light pink. You're going to put them in your big stock pot, cover them in water, and get them boiling. Once you get them boiling, let them go for 10 minutes, then remove them from the heat, cover them, and let them steep for about 2 hours. All right, put your strainer on top of a large bowl, and then go ahead and separate the petals from the water that is now a deep, deep red. I used a metal spoon here to kind of squish out the rest of it, and then look at what this turned into. That is probably the closest thing to like a shredded beef texture that you're going to find in the vegan world. And also a ½ pound made way too much, so we also did some Philly cheesesteak. Click here for that recipe. Also, now we have all this delicious juice, which is actually hibiscus tea, which is very medicinal, so go ahead and click here for that recipe. All right, back to the matter at hand, the burritos. Get your garlic, smash that up, heat up a pan over medium-high heat, add a little bit of olive oil, and then throw your garlic in there. I'm also going to use a tiny can of jalapeños. Open that up, throw that in there with the garlic and get it going. And now you're going to put the petals in. Now the petals are kind of citrusy, so what I'm going to do is add a ½ tablespoon of sugar to kind of cut that down. You're also going to need a ½ teaspoon of chili powder, a ½ tablespoon of cumin, a ½ teaspoon of paprika, and then of course you want to season to taste with some salt and pepper. Alright, so that's pretty much good to go. We're going to make a little salad for this too. Cucumber, radish, that's it, just nice and fresh, and it's going to go on top of our burritos. So we're going to roll it up. Today we're going to try in the Daiya PepperJack style shreds. It's okay as long as you get it melty. Roll them up, throw them into a hot pan just to kind of give them a nice little texture. This is actually some sour cream made from silken tofu that we're going to use. We're going to put that on top of there. I'm going to throw our salad on top, and voila. This stuff is really good, y'all. It's kind of got like this nice island flavor to it too, you know, with like the citrusy flower action going on. I definitely recommend you trying this, and let me know if you did. All right, to the giveaways. Comment below if you would like a copy of Thug Kitchen 101. I'll be giving a copy away at the 500 subscriber mark. Again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and we will see you again very, very soon. Thanks, y'all.